Hello students. So in this video we are going to talk about the notification regarding vacant seats that has been released by Ram Manohar Lohia National University, that is RMNLU, right? Lucknow, NLU Lucknow, which is popularly called. Now if you want to access the notification and the application link, you can simply search for NLU 2024 vacant seats on Google. The first page that appears is our Abhyaas Lawprep website, from where you can access the notification and admission link or the application link for all the vacant seats as they are released by the respective NLUs. So in this regard, we are talking about vacant seats notification that is released by RMNLU, right? So if we go to RMNLU right here, you can access the notification from here, clicking on this particular link, and application link through this particular link, right? After which you will be taken to this particular two aspects. Now let's discuss the notification, then I will tell you what is the procedure for filling the application. So if you look at the application here, the application doesn't prescribe any fee that is required to be paid, but it does talk about two things, that is number of vacant seats that are available, and second, that is who can apply under these particular vacant seats. So if we look at the metrics here, which talks about the vacant list, under All India Unreserved category, we have 9 vacant seats in BLLB honors, and OBC having people having UP domicile and OBC category, for them there are 2 seats, and then we have horizontal category within this 11 seats, that is PWD category, CDP UP category, and Defense UP category. That is, CDP is a dependent of a freedom fighter from UP and a defense personality of parents who are in defense from UP, right? So this is horizontal reservation. That means within this 11, these categories have to be accommodated. So within 11 seats, one has to be a person with disability, right? So this is the matrix. Apart from that, in LLM, there is only one seat, that is for EW's category of UP. They have also mentioned who can apply for these vacant seats. If you look at the same metrics, it's given that if you want to apply under All India Unreserved category for vacant seat, then your rank should be below 1000. Similarly, if you are applying under OBC UP domicile, then your rank should be below 4000. And if you are applying for horizontal reservation, PWD, CDP UP or Defense UP, in that case, there is no as such cutoff. If we come to LLM, there for the one seat that is available, the cutoff is All India rank 40, right? So what is the procedure for filling or procedure to avail these vacant seats? The first step is you have to fill this particular Google form. After making sure that you fall under the prescribed cutoff, that is your rank is below the rank mentioned here, you can simply click on this form, after which you will be taken to a Google form wherein you have to fill all your particulars in this regard. As I have mentioned you, there is no fee payment, right? Now if you look at the details that are required to be filled here, right? It talks about course that you are applying for, undergraduation or post-graduation, reservation if you are availing any, if you are availing none of the reservation, in that case you can put unreserved, otherwise other two you can put. Horizontal reservation if you are availing, you can click on any of them. Apart from that, your CLAT application number, your admit card number, your All India rank in CLAT 2024, your score in CLAT 2024, your name as given in your CLAT admission form, your father's name, your mother's name, your date of birth, your contact number, your parents' contact number, and state of domicile. If you're from UP, you have to mention, because that gives you an extra leverage, because you get a special reservation there. Right? Apart from that, these two documents have to be mandatorily submitted, that is CLAT 2024 admit card and CLAT 2024 scorecard. Along with this, if you are availing any of the reservation, according to that you have to put other two documents also. Suppose I am from EWS category or say OBC category of UP or UP domicile, in that case I have to put my UP domicile certificate as well as my EWS or OBC certificate. If I am availing person having defense background from UP or person with disability, in that case I have to click on the last one as well. But these two columns are mandatory, right? Now merge all the documents, all the required documents into a single PDF and upload it from here, right? Once you upload that particular document, remember you have to enclose it into a single document. So merge this into a single PDF and press on the submit button. As soon as you submit it, your expression of interest will be registered with RMNLU, right? Also in this regard, they have mentioned that those students whose name appear in the merit list, they have to make sure that they appear for the counseling, right? Further, it's given that the last date to fill this particular application is 29th of June 2024. So this is also something that you have to keep in your mind, right? When the merit list will be declared, we will definitely notify our student for the same, right? That's all for today's video. I hope this was a useful video. Thank you so much for watching.